The invisible friend in classroom. Daniyal was always quiet in Al Huda Primary School, the boy who sat at the back staring at his math book as if the numbers could magically solve themselves. He wasn't dumb or lazy. He just felt invisible. While other kids laughed and played, Daniyal whispered, Yar, kash koi mere help care. Bas ek dust mil jay. Little did he know someone was about to change everything. One rainy Monday morning, Daniyal entered the empty classroom early. The windows were foggy, the chairs damp, and a chilly breeze made him shiver. As he opened his math book, a soft, playful whisper floated in the air. Page number 42 Kolo. Trust me. Daniyal froze, looking around. Khan? He whispered. Then his pencil lifted into the air, hovering and wiggling like a dancing snake before gently landing on the page. I'm your friend. The voice giggled. I'm Zuzu, your invisible friend. Daniyal's eyes widened. Invisible? Yes, completely gay up, but I can talk, move things, and help you. Sometimes with a little shaitani, Zuzu replied. Daniyal's mouth went dry. Tum, real ho? Real enough to do this, Zuzu said, making the chalk spin in midair. Over the next few days, Zuzu became Daniyal's secret helper. During math class, he whispered answers, drew funny faces on the board, and made Daniyal laugh quietly. But he loved mischief too. One lunch, Hamza bragged about his new Marvel lunchbox. Look! Original high! Zuzu whispered, Deco Abe Maza. Suddenly, Hamza's lunchbox slid across the table and spilled his sandwich onto Yasser's head. Chaos erupted as Hamza yelled, Who did this? Daniyal tried to hide his laughter while Zuzu giggled. Zuzu ki shaitani! Even Mariam, the strict class monitor, became a victim. Chairs moved slightly behind her. Papers floated and pens rolled mysteriously. The class erupted in laughter, while Daniyal whispered, Zuzu. Dodi shaitani kam kara. Zuzu replied with a cheeky, Entertainment free high yar. Despite the mischief, Zuzu helped Daniyal grow. Slowly, Daniyal spoke more in class, raised his hand without fear, and even answered questions confidently. Hamza noticed, Bro, tumbo fun hoeb. Daniyal just smiled, glancing at where Zuzu hovered invisibly. During study sessions, Zuzu nudged pencils closer or flipped pages to help him. Tumkar sakt ho, he whispered. One evening, Zuzu grew serious. You don't need me the same way anymore. You're not lonely. You have friends, confidence, courage. Daniyal's chest tightened. No, you can't leave. May nakila nahi renachada. Zuzu touched his shoulder gently, invisible but warm. You're never alone. The strength was always inside you. I was just here to help you see it. The next day, Zuzu stayed quiet. No whispers, no pranks. Daniyal felt the emptiness, even during lunch. He whispered, Zuzu. Are you here? No reply. That evening, back in the empty classroom, he whispered again. Suddenly, chalk floated and wrote softly, I'm always here. A soft giggle echoed. Zuzu had promised to appear only when truly needed. Daniyal grew stronger. Zuzu guided him, subtly tapping pencils, giving encouragement during tests, and nudging him gently. During sports day, when Daniyal was nervous, Zuzu whispered, Chelo Daniyal. Run! He ran faster than ever, finishing strong. Though he didn't win, he realized courage mattered more than victory. Then came the stage competition. Daniyal trembled at the thought of speaking in front of the school. Main stage pay Gurjonga. Sab Hassanj, he whispered. Zuzu whispered back, No, they won't. And even if they do, I'll be there. On stage, Daniyal's words flowed confidently. The auditorium clapped loudly. Backstage, he whispered, Zuzu, did you see? A giggle replied, I saw everything, hero. From that day, Daniyal knew Zuzu's magic was teaching him to believe in himself. He helped shy classmates, explained homework patiently, and shared snacks generously. Zuzu watched proudly, sometimes whispering encouragement, sometimes nudging things playfully. Though invisible, he was always present in Daniyal's heart. Months passed. Daniyal thrived in school, confident and joyful. When exams came, he studied hard and finished with assurance, remembering Zuzu's voice. You can do this. On results day, he scored higher than ever. His parents and teacher were proud, and Daniyal felt gratitude for the invisible friend who had changed his life. One rainy afternoon, Daniyal saw a shy boy sitting alone. He walked over, offered a smile, and cheered him up. Zuzu whispered, Tam abi kisi ka Zuzu ho. Daniyal understood friendship wasn't about magic or mischief, but presence, belief, and heart. At night, Daniyal whispered, "Good night, Zuzu." A tiny shimmer appeared near his pillow. "Good night, Daniyal." Remember, the magic was never just me. It was always you, Daniyal smiled, closing his eyes, knowing he was never truly invisible. Life in the classroom became brighter, funnier, and braver. Daniyal laughed louder, spoke with confidence, helped others, and sometimes felt a gentle, invisible tap reminding him he could shine, even when no one was watching. Zuzu's presence was subtle but constant, and Daniyal knew that true courage, like invisible friendship, was always within, waiting to be found.